Hi there, this is Brian here from quantlabs.net. Going to show you a working coin tracking API. This is really good for if you are going to get serious with cryptocurrency trading as well as tax reporting. So it's quite good. It's fairly cheap for every year. Anyways, I'm using mine for that my Binance account and past account trials with Kraken and Coinbase and whatnot. So I do have this. If you are interested in this, for what I do with trading, I have a little article here called CoinTracking Third-Party Verified Tiny Portfolio of Cryptocurrency Trading. I've also put up another article or video recently to show you that I have made 230% in about 3-4 months crypto trading, which I'll show you here. You can also get this on the podcast. So right here, this article right here, or video, verified cryptocurrency trading account up 230% in 4 months. So you'll find that there. So I now have a working GitHub repository. This one right here. There's another one that doesn't work. This one does not work. So as a warning, I just got to get your API and secret code, and you're good to go. And essentially, this is the working example. So I copied this code right here, and I got it working. Just got to make sure you put your, as I said, your API key and secret key, and you'll be good to go. So you're able to get balance, historical summary, historical currency, group balance, and get gains. So I'll be able to send that out pretty well daily now to all my members that are interested in this. Or maybe, I don't know yet. But just wanted to let you know about it. Very important for credibility, obviously, at my end. And hopefully it's good for also accounting. So again, you can get that at the article here, working CoinTracking.info API Python Github repo for verified trading and repos course repository. Hopefully I'll help you out. Thanks for watching.